We're going to use graphing to solve this system of equations. We will graph both the equations and see where they intersect. So let's start with the easiest one. It's y equals mx plus b. M, our slope, is -1. Our y-intercept is -7. This equation here, we got a couple of options. We could solve for y and use the slope and y-intercept, or we could find the x and y-intercepts and then connect them. Let's do that method. 11 halves is 5 1/2. -11 thirds is -3 2/3. It looks like the intersection is at -5, -2. It's hard to tell for sure because the intersection might be a little off from those points, so we will make a guess and then check it. To check a solution, you plug it into both equations and see if it makes them both true. It works for the first equation, and it works for the second equation. So our solution is the set -5, -2. Let's talk about the pros and cons of using this method to solve a system of equations. You may come up with more than the ones I listed. For positive things about this method is it's intuitive. Seeing those lines intersect on your graph helps you know what a solution represents. And it's fast if the equations are easy to graph. Some drawbacks to this method are some equations are difficult to graph. And if your solution contains a fraction, like maybe 11/17 or something, or an irrational number like the square root of 2, you won't be able to see that. And your solution may be off the graph paper. Maybe your solution is at 100, 200, but you only graphed from -10 to 10 on each axis. You won't see the solution.